Hi everybody, I am here Prasad. Today we are going to discuss the subject Principles of Programming Language. Principles of Programming Language PPL, that is there in the JNTUH BTech 3rd year and 4th year CSE. 3rd year and 4th year CSE, the subject is there PPL. Today we are going to discuss this. Right? The aim of this subject is principles means rules of programming language. The student should be in a position able to design next generation programming language, new generation programming language. For that, they need to learn what are the olden days programming language, what are the rules and structures, basic things, what are the nowadays programming language. In the next generation language, they need to design new programming languages. Right? For example, assume Java. Java is there. For example, they are going to design Java++, technical programming language, Java++. For that, what are the prerequisites? What are the pre-knowledge they should have? First thing, a course on mathematical foundations of computer science. They need to have some knowledge on mathematics, because in every programming language math knowledge is there. Sum of two numbers, prime number, Fibonacci series, like that so many programs are there. Everything depends on math. So they should have some knowledge on mathematical foundations of computer science. Secondly, they should have a course on computer programming and data structures. They should have some basic programming knowledge. Before designing a new programming, new technical programming, they should have some knowledge on basic programs as well as data structures. What is data structure? Arranging data in proper manner is called data structure. They should have knowledge on data structures, programming knowledge and math. Right? What is the objective and aim of the subject? Purpose of PPL, why we have to learn? The student will be able to have programming language knowledge, right, and high level programming, high level practical programming, and they should be having knowledge on syntax and semantic. What is syntax? Rules of a programming language, how it should be typed, right, and semantic, grammatical mistake. They should not type any spelling mistakes, they should not type any sentence mistake. They should have a knowledge on case sensitive, where should type capital letters, where should type small letters. This sense should be there in the semantic knowledge. And data types, they should have knowledge on data types, right. Int, float, char, string, these are basic. Int, float, char, string. While learning C programming, some of the basic programming subject, these 4 basic data types will be there. In Java, that is extended little bit. Data type knowledge should be there. Then expressions, equations, just like Ax plus B plus C equal to 0. Some of the equations and expressions will be there. Those things will be learned here. Statements. In English, every sentence is called sentence, every line is called sentence, but in technical programming language, every line is called statement. Every statement ends with semicolon, that is a syntax. Rules of a programming language. Every sentence is end with semicolon, right? Subprograms. Program within program is called subprograms. Blocks, right? Blocks means a area of the code. For example, function. Main is a function. Curly braces starts from here to here. These are some lines. This is called block of code. Block of code having some functionality, doing some task. Right? ADT, abstract data type, hidden data types will be there. Right? These are the objective aim of the subject. Okay? At the end, I will show you this, note down these points, and all the best for the future.